Hello guys, this is Pawan Kumar and you are watching RKB Studies. So this video is on the topic finding the odd one out. And these types of questions are asked in so many different types of examinations. But this video is made mainly for architecture entrance examinations like NATA, JEE Mains Paper 2, AAT, etc. Okay, so without delaying, let's start. First question we have finding the odd one out. Car, bicycle, motorcycle and jeep. So if you see carefully, so bicycle is the only vehicle that don't require fuel. Okay. In this one, banana, mango, cashew and guava. So except cashew, all others are fruits. So cashew is the odd one. Listen, swim, walk and climb. Okay, so all these are verbs. So except listening, all the others require physical movement. Okay, so listen is the odd one. Screw, hammer, needle and pin. If you see carefully, so hammer is the only tool which is not a pointed object, and except all screw, needle and pin, all these are pointed objects. So hammer is the odd one. Gold, silver, carbon and diamond. So here gold, silver and diamond, all these are used in jewelry, but carbon is not used. So carbon is the odd one. May, August, June and January. Yeah, this is a quite simple one. You might know that May, August and January, all these are 31 days, but June is of only 30 days. So June is the odd one. Lucknow, Panaji, Kolkata and Kanpur. Lucknow, Panaji and Kolkata, all these are the capitals of the states, but Kanpur is not. So Kanpur is the odd one. Apple, orange, tomato and potato. Over here, if you see, apple, orange and tomato, these all are fruits, but potato is a vegetable. So potato is the odd one. Fleas, parrot, harbor and grasshoppers. So except parrot, all these three are insects. So parrot is the odd one. Bake, peel, fry and boil. If you observe carefully, peeling is the only process that requires hands, and except all these like bake, fry and boil don't require hand. So peel is the odd one. We have been given four different figures. Yeah, so if you observe first, second and fourth, each of them have two rectangles inside them, but in third option you can see only one rectangle. So third is the odd one. This seems a quite difficult one. B, C and D all have one smiley, three stars, three hearts and two arrows in each of them. But in A option you can see only two stars and four hearts. That makes it an odd one. If you see carefully, A, B and C, all these are same shape, but just the rotation of one shape. Okay, but D is not at all similar to any of these, because you can see the black dot is not at the ending of the line. This makes it an odd figure. In these four options you can see, if you see carefully, each figure has a house shape and there are some lines inside each of them. But if you count the number of lines in each of them, you will find that A, B and C all have 11 lines, but D figure have 12 lines. So D is odd one. Here you can see in options A, B and D, each figure has a shape with three arrows, but in boxes A, B and D, two arrows point out of the shape and one arrow points into it. But in box C, it is totally different. Here, two arrows are pointing inside the object and only one is pointing out. So C is the odd one. You can see carefully in figures A, B and D, the white and black balls are kept alternatively, like white ball, black ball, white ball and black ball. But in option C, if you see in the downside, there are two balls black and two balls of white color. So this makes it a odd figure. Here all these options contain one triangle, rectangle, circle, square and star. But if you see very carefully the C option, here the star is only 5 pointed. So C is the odd one. So in all these figures you can see there are one big shape and inside them there is one small shape. Okay, so in figures A, B and D, the smaller shape is touching only one of the side of the bigger face, but in option C you can see the smaller shape is touching two sides of a triangle, so that makes a different one. So C is the odd one. Now the question for you, find the odd one out and answer in the comment section. Let me see how many of you know the answer. So thank you so much for watching the video. Like, comment, share this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. And you can also follow me in Instagram, Facebook and Telegram at RKB Studies.